have 150 subscribers. I better get working on another video and get cracking. Those re-entries are getting rougher. Welcome to another episode of Kraken's Garage. I'm your host, Eric. We're going to accomplish two things today. We're going to have a box opening of the Yoshimura pipe specifically designed for the Benelli TnT 135, and I'm also going to provide to you as a link down below, a soft copy in my Google Dropbox that will have a service manual that'll show you all the good stuff on the bike, the torque settings, how you repair your bike. It's good for the 125 and the 135. We need to get that information out there. This is just another venue of trying to help out another person that owns this bike. Let's get to it. I ordered this directly from Benelli, and believe it or not, they had it listed on Amazon. I'll leave a link down below where you can purchase this muffler. That was cheapest around. It beat Steady Garage, it beat Yoshimura's direct website. So for what it's worth, be sure to check that out. Kind of excited to get this on. It's kind of a mixed feelings on this pipe. It's something I want to do because I think the Benelli TnT 135 doesn't breathe quite right. Maybe to meet the emissions for this country. I'm not aware. By the way, this is a full exhaust from the header back. It also has the port for the oxygen sensor that comes right out of the head. Good stuff. A couple of tools, even got a spring tool. Excellent. Manual. Other part of the header. Certainly packed very well. It's kind of taped into a box and shrink wrapped on. Isn't it cute? Smallest pipe I've ever seen in my life. That's awesome. Nice carbon tip on it. Let's bring it over for you to take a look. Hopefully you can see it. Quite handsome. Very nice. Today's video is just a quick one to show you the unboxing of the Yoshimura pipe. And in the next video, we're going to install that and remap the fueling, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So that should be a quick, easy install and should be a lot of fun. I'm looking forward to it. This is a very short video, and we'll end it right there. Let's go to the outro music. So that concludes today's video, a very short one at that, of the unboxing of the Yoshimura pipe for the Benelli TnT 135, and also the repair manual that I'll link down below that you can download a soft copy and have access to it. Folks, let me know if you have any troubles with that. I've never done a link to that in a YouTube video comment section, so hopefully it works. If you like this video, give it a tentacle up. If you didn't like it, give it a tentacle down. If you want to see more in the future, use your tentacle and hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching. And remember, folks, go ride when you can because it's good for ya.